This 2015 Ford Transit cargo van is brought to you by Cash or Finance Auto. Challenge me with your credit situation. Excellent, good, first-time buyer, no credit or very bad credit. We have very low interest rate financing. We have low APR percent rates for excellent credit. We offer up to $15,000 in auto loans for first-time buyers. Cash or Finance Auto offers highly competitive, simple and easy financing for bad credit or no credit even if you have no proof of income. If you are a contractor, electrician, plumber, or in a role with non-salaried income, I know how to get you financed. My name is Dallas and I am the General Manager of Cash or Finance Auto. My passion is helping people get their dream vehicle. I have over 30 years of experience in auto financing, and Cash or Finance Auto has been in business for over 20 years. Please take a look at our reviews on Google, where we have proudly gained 655 star reviews. You can apply for credit on our secure loan application at https://www.cashorfinanceauto.com/ or call my cell phone or visit us at cashorfinance.v12soft.com.